Do your legs feel weaker, or are you getting tired faster than before? It's not just age creeping up on you. After 60, many people think weaker legs, poor balance, and low energy are just part of getting older. But guess what? Research shows otherwise. You can fight back with something as simple as tea. Studies have shown that natural teas can restore leg strength, improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and supercharge your energy. No medications or exhausting workouts needed. And here's the best part. These teas are safe, simple, and backed by science. In this video, we're revealing the top 4 teas for seniors to boost leg strength and energy, all carefully selected and verified by health researchers. Stick around until the end. There's a surprising tea ingredient you've probably never heard of, but it's been shown to fight muscle fatigue and supercharge circulation for older adults. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. Tea number 1. Ginseng Green Tea. Looking for a simple, powerful way to rebuild muscle after 60? Ginseng Green Tea might be your new secret weapon. Green tea is a well-known powerhouse for overall health, especially for seniors. It's packed with antioxidants that protect and repair muscle fibers, keeping your muscles strong as you age. But when combined with ginseng, you get an added boost. Ginseng naturally enhances your energy, improving stamina and helping you walk farther without feeling fatigued. Plus, it fights inflammation, which is key for maintaining strong legs and preventing pain. Studies have shown that seniors who drink green tea regularly tend to have better walking speeds and a significantly lower risk of falls. Whether you enjoy it in the morning to start your day or as a pick-me-up, green tea with ginseng is a simple way to kickstart your muscle strength. Tea number 2. Ginger Lemon Tea. Feel stiff and sore after walking? Ginger lemon tea can help you feel lighter and more limber in no time. Ginger lemon tea is a refreshing and effective drink, especially for seniors looking to boost their muscle health. Ginger is famous for reducing muscle soreness and joint stiffness. It helps you move more comfortably, making each step easier. On top of that, lemon is a powerhouse for collagen production, the protein that keeps your muscles, joints, and connective tissues healthy and strong. This combination doesn't just ease discomfort, it also helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently, allowing for better muscle recovery. If you've been struggling with stiff joints or sore muscles, ginger lemon tea can be a game changer, helping you stay active and limber throughout the day. Tea number 3. Turmeric Black Pepper Tea. Want to target deep muscle pain and inflammation? Turmeric Black Pepper Tea is the anti-inflammatory combo you need. Turmeric is widely known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, and when paired with black pepper, its effects are amplified by up to 20 times. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, targets deep muscle and joint pain, providing relief and promoting healing. But it doesn't stop there. This tea also supports flexibility and reduces stiffness, which are essential for seniors who want to stay active without discomfort. Drinking turmeric black pepper tea regularly can help keep your muscles strong, promote recovery after activity, and ease the aches that come with aging. This is the perfect post-workout or post-walk tea to soothe your muscles and get you ready for the next adventure. Tea number 4. Rooibos Cinnamon Tea. Need a caffeine-free tea that works while you sleep? Rooibos Cinnamon Tea is the perfect nighttime muscle repair solution. Rooibos Cinnamon Tea is a fantastic option for seniors who want to rebuild muscle and boost circulation without the jolt of caffeine. Rooibos is loaded with antioxidants that help improve blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients directly to your muscles. This makes it easier for your muscles to rebuild and recover after physical activity. Cinnamon in this tea helps regulate blood sugar levels, providing steady, sustained energy throughout the day without crashes. The best part? It's naturally sweet, so you can enjoy it before bed to help your muscles recover overnight. If you're looking for a tea that works while you sleep, Rooibos Cinnamon Tea is the perfect, relaxing choice to keep your body feeling strong and steady as you age. So, there you have it. 4 incredible teas that can help you rebuild muscle and walk strong again. Will you try Ginseng Green Tea, Ginger Lemon Tea, Turmeric Black Pepper Tea, or the bedtime powerhouse Rooibos Cinnamon Tea? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Health Supplied for more science-backed tips to help you stay strong, steady, and independent at any age. As we age, maintaining strong legs, balance, and energy becomes more challenging. But what if I told you that you could rebuild muscle after 60 with something as simple as drinking tea? In this video, we dive into the best teas for seniors that can help improve leg strength, boost circulation, and combat muscle fatigue, all backed by science. In this video, you'll learn about the following. 1. Ginseng Green Tea, packed with antioxidants that help protect and repair muscle fibers while boosting stamina. 2. Ginger Lemon Tea, reduces muscle soreness and stiffness while promoting collagen production for healthy joints. 3. Turmeric Black Pepper Tea, fights inflammation and speeds up muscle recovery. 4. Rooibos Cinnamon Tea, improves circulation and gives you steady energy while supporting overnight muscle recovery. These natural teas can improve blood flow, fight inflammation, and keep you feeling strong as you age, without the need for medications or grueling workouts. Whether you're looking to stay independent, improve your balance, or feel more energized, these teas are a simple and effective solution. Don't miss out on the surprise ingredient in one of these teas that has been shown to supercharge circulation and muscle health. Subscribe to Health Supplied for more science-backed tips on staying healthy and strong at any age.